What's up, guys? It's June 1st, 2024. Officially more than halfway done with the year. 5 months left. Hope you guys are having a good year. Good sideways day today. Let's get into the bigger time frame. This is a daily. This is the 45-minute. Just looking at some important levels. This is the swing from April 19th. This is the breakout. This is the swing from April 1st, 3 months ago. So I think I'm gonna add the swing high here because that's gonna be important. So let me add that. I want to add it with you guys watching so you guys can see. So the high of June 20th is 888 even. So let's make sure this is 88. Oh, that's spot on. Wow, that was lucky. So June 20th, 2024. Oh, 2024. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, June 20th here. 2024. Yeah, all right. There it is, which is kind of weird because it doesn't line up on the day. Oh, wait, where's the swing on the? This must be the overnight swing high. Yeah. Well, we're looking at the daily level, so let me close that. That's gonna bug me, but it's the we saw it. Well, now we got a swing high. We got a range low. We got a swing high. We got a breakout point on the daily. We got some gaps. Starting to frame. The markets are slowly framing themselves. Could delete this level, and we could play it like this as well. That's another way to do it, use the fibs. 50% is this breakout, so we could come and test below here. We did a little bit of a quicker breakdown today because we had for like almost 3 hours from 9 o'clock PST to EOD. Why did I say six? Oh yeah, EOD sideways. Yesterday we had an outside bar, right? Yeah, this is yesterday's bar. And an outside bar. A lot of selling. Bulls go for the breakout, go for 2R because of yesterday's range. Would be 2R. They failed there. Reversal, breakout in the EMA, and we have a bear trend lower. Brings us into today's open. The higher time frame EMA acting as resistance. Lower time frame EMA is acting as resistance. We have a gap up, but it's a bear bar. Sideways price action. More sideways price action with bar 2. Bar 3 is a trend bar breaking up below the EMA. It's a bad close. Not much of the bar is closing below the EMA, and there's a tail. Could be a double bottom right here, something like that. Bar 4, strong breakout, great for the bears. Whole bar, the biggest bar closing below the EMA. So that's really good for the bears, bad for the bulls. That's a breakout bar. Bar 5 starts the pullback. Bar 5 is a minimum follow through. It's not a bull body. It's not a bear body, but it shows some sort of follow through. And then there's a really deep pullback with bar 6 and 7. Testing bar 3's low. I got short here. I scalped out 2R of this bar. So yeah, I got out at this low though. 2R was down there. So 2R was meant leg 1, leg 2, second leg trap, pullback. So we sell off into yesterday's low. It's a vacuum. So look at this bar. You have to ask yourself: is this a breakout or is this a vacuum test? In ranges, these bars are going to be emotional, and I think this was a vacuum test because it raced to support. And this could be a leg 1, leg 2 move. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. This is also a wedge bottom here before this price action takes place. Very deep pullback with bar 10, testing the upper third of bar 9, and now we have an open gap here. There was an open gap here, but it got closed. Another two-legged bear move, leg 1, deep pullback, leg 2. This creates a double bottom for the bulls on yesterday's. Oops, excuse me 1 second. There we go. On yesterday's low of the day, which is a failed breakout today. Excuse me, what am I saying? This is yesterday's low. Bears went for the breakout and failed, creating a double bottom. Bears that got short here, and got out their original scalp, buying back their shorts, creating enough pressure for the bulls to buy low and the bears to buy back their shorts, creating trend. Very weak trend. It's a bull leg in a trading range. Wedge top on the EMA, wedge top bull flag. I actually bought here I hit out here. I reversed to short, and as soon as this bar turned up, I just hit out, waited. I bought this bar, and I held to right here and called it a day. Almost done with the top step account. I have to trade. There's $500 left, so I don't know if I'm gonna pass it because we have FOMC and we're going sideways. So I'm gonna take it slow. I'm still in the gulag, but I'm pretty close to being funded again. So yeah, bulls get the reversal, they get double bottom, and then we gotta start looking for bull gaps. There's no bull gaps. Here's a bull gap, but it gets closed quickly. It's a really weak gap. It's opposite bars. Gaps are getting closed, so it's not a strong trend. There's another gap, and then we go sideways. We have a TTR. So all the gaps as soon as all the gaps got closed, the market just went range bound. The EMAs are adding up. I actually bought this bar here. I saw 47 and I got out as soon as it hit break even on 48, and then yeah, the market just went sideways. Really important to learn how to sit this out. I'm trying my best to learn how to sit this out, and right now my biggest indicator is looking at the EMAs. When they go sideways, I just try and call it. Big down, big up, all gaps are closing. Range, first two bars are range. EMAs are going sideways, so I think there's a lot of reasons to not trade it, not get cut up in this TTR. If you did, it's okay. I'm probably gonna get cut up too. Just try and learn from it, avoid it. Hope you guys caught one of these legs and made a little bit of money. We have a short week today. We're off on Thursday, so have a good one, guys. I will talk to you tomorrow. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Leave some comments. Let me know what's up. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for your support. Bye.